to copy formula in Excel to full column. So let's start this in my Excel and you can see I have a sales data. So here I'm going to calculate total sales amount. Okay. So simply select the cell. Then I use here the is equal to, then I select the first quantity, then I use here the multiple sign, then I select here the price. Okay, then press the enter key. That's it. Then I select this cell and you can see in formula bar, the formula is showing. So this formula I'm going to copy paste in full column. Okay. So the first way you just keep cursor the corner point of the cell and just drag with the mouse in below cell. The formula is pasted in below cell also. If you want to check, just simply select the cell and check here in formula bar, the formula is showing. Okay. Here I press the Ctrl Z to undo the action and I show you the second way. So simply select the same cell and same as keep cursor on the corner point of the cell and simply double click of the mouse and here you see the full in full data the formula is copy paste. If you want to check, just click on the one cell and see here in formula bar the formula is shown. Okay. So use here again Control Z, undo the actions. So let's see now the shortcut way how to copy the formula to full column. So first select the cell, use the Control C to copy the cell. Okay. Then use the left arrow and you can see in column price, on price column, the first cell is selected. Okay. Then use the Control N key. When you press the Control N key, the selection of the last cell here shown. Okay. Then use the Shift Control Up arrow. You can see the full column here selected. Okay. Full column here selected. Shift Control Up arrow. Then press the Control and that's it. Your formula is pasted in full column. See, when I click on any cell, see in formula bar, the formula is shown. Same as I select this cell, the formula bar, this formula shown. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.